We see Bitcoin and FTT further dumping. Is this a death spiral for FTT? This is what I want to speak about, bratans, and I want to show you also my huge trade. In my opinion, it's a huge trade which is happening, and I want to speak how far can FTT go down, and is it really that this big exchange going to be bankrupt and all the crypto market, I mean not all, but the crypto market getting like really destroyed. And we will speak about also obviously Bitcoin, how far, how low can we go, here further, and are we going right now here to this level of this big support line of around, wait a minute, it's right now around 11k. This is what we will speak about. So bratan, if you appreciate what I'm doing, like, subscribe, if not, poche. Let's go in the charts and start with FTT, because this is amazing. I mean, it's not amazing, but you know, after CZ told us that he will sell all, or Binance will sell all his FTT tokens, we saw this huge dump, and I entered a short position. I think I entered the short position here. Then there was a quick wick. I got liquidated. It was around $1,000, and then I entered again a short position. And it's very dangerous to short altcoins. However, I shorted right now, and I was right. We are further dumping. And I want to show you also my trade. This is my take profit. Here you see my Bitcoin trade. Wait a minute, Bitcoin trade I show you in a second. Wait a minute, where's here? This is my FTT trade. It's right now $5,000 in profit, over 600% in profit. So this is amazing. $1,000 I lost, so $4,000 all in profit. This is amazing. What I expecting right now? I expecting personally, if I'm watching here on the daily, I expecting that, because we broke a big support. The big support was around $25. The second one was around $21. We broke it down, and in my opinion, the next big support is coming at around between $11 and $10. My price target is $11. This way I will take profits. However, I'm watching right now, bratans. I'm closely watching right now. Why? Because tomorrow is midterm election, and if the Democrats will win, we will see a further dump in the crypto market. If Republicans win, we will see a pump in the market, right? Why? Because the Republicans, the Democrats destroyed the market, right? We saw after Democrats was in the government, they destroyed the market. So all the hope is on the Republicans, right? So this one reason for a pump if Republicans tomorrow win. But we see right now this crash what's happening with FTT. And if FTT further crashes, what I expecting, because it's like a death spiral, people want to withdraw their money. FTX has to sell their reserves of USDT, of stable coins, to let people withdraw. Right now they stopped even withdrawing, because obviously it's like I told you today in the morning, it's called the bank run, right? People want to withdraw, but they don't have enough money. So in my opinion, this is a death spiral. Similar to what we saw with Luna, technically something different, but similar what we saw with Luna. So I expecting that at least FTT will go to the toilet. So I still in my short. However, be careful, tomorrow is midterm election, and if Republicans win, we could see a pump in the market. It's not so likely because of this FTT drama, but this is what you have to consider. On one hand, you have to watch what is happening with the midterm election tomorrow. If Republicans win, I would be very careful. On the other hand, you have to watch what is happening with FTX. If somehow FTX starts to recover, then obviously we could see a pump in the market. This is very important. These two factors which I'm watching. And right now, let us. By the way, if you also want to trade, FTT, you can unfortunately only trade on Bybit, bratans. On Bybit, you can get $30 for free after a certain amount of initial deposit. Link is down below. Make sure make this registration, and you get also free access to my Telegram channel. So FTT, my price target is very clear. I don't expect that, but it will not recover in the immediate short term. However, we could see spike to $22 easily. This is what we saw also in Luna. Be careful with trading. It's only for super professional traders. Right now, Bitcoin, very important Bitcoin to watch, bratan. Because Bitcoin, I explained to you yesterday. I explained to you, as as we broke this orange line, this was a we could short until this white line. As soon as we broke this white line, told you this is a big short opportunity. If you shorted with me, you right now around 4.6% profit, 10x 46, 20x around 92% in profit. And the price target is this red line. Why this red line? This red line was previous a big resistance line, resistance. It would turn into support. So watch out for this. I take profits at around 18,600. This is what I'm watching right now. And yes, we are heavily oversold on 4 hourly. We are heavily oversold on 1 hourly. We are on 15 minute. Let me check on 15 minute. I guess we are, it's not showing. Also heavily oversold. Therefore, we should see some consolidation. But if we are considered that FTT is going to toilet, I'm expecting further dump. And I will take profits at 18,600. This might take profit area, which I'm watching for. So still, it's a short opportunity in my opinion. It's only long opportunity if we're breaking 19,870 with a clear 15-minute candle. Then we can start obviously to long Bitcoin. First price target 20,460, 3% 10x, 30%, 20x, 60%. Long opportunity only if we're breaking 19,850, right? As long as we're not breaking it, I still in a short, and for me it's a clear short opportunity, especially because FTT is going to shit. This is very, very, very important, bratans. If you also want to trade Bybit, for example, you can do it on BitGet. On BitGet, you get $8,000 for free after initial deposit and 50 USDT free after your first trade and initial deposit. Link down below. BitGet and Bybit, in my opinion, very secure exchanges, but do your own research. However, even if you don't match here these requirements, you get free access to my Discord and Telegram channel. Make sure you don't missing out on this especially high bonus which you can get right now, which they're offering right now. So in my opinion, this is very, very clear short opportunities right now, but be very careful. Do your own research. Ethereum price target, I told you we reached already the price targets which I told you on Ethereum. If you don't watched my video from the morning, watch it. There you see the Ethereum price targets. And S&P 500, very important also to watch S&P 500, because usually if S&P 500 pumping, Bitcoin pumping, if S&P 500 dumping, Bitcoin dumping. We see S&P 500 pumping. People ask me why S&P 500 but Bitcoin, S&P pumping but Bitcoin dumping. It's very clear because of FTT, bratan, because of FTX. This is very, very, very clear. However, what is very important, S&P 500 is heavily overbought in 15 minutes. So if S&P 500, if S&P 500 starting dumping, then we will see even a bigger dump in Bitcoin and altcoins and FTT. So in my opinion, right now is the time for shorting, but please do your own research. It's not a financial advice. In the big picture, if we are watching in the big picture, bratans, it's very clear. I told you, as soon as S&P 500 broke this purple line, it was a long opportunity. Right now, we could retest this purple line and would be still very healthy. But if we're breaking in this purple line to downside, this will be very, very clear. We should big short Bitcoin, because then I'm expecting Bitcoin to go to 11K. Why to 11K? Because if I'm watching Bitcoin here on the daily, bratans, then it's very clear. We broke out of this descending broadening wedge, and you see this breakout of this descending broadening wedge. It's the same. S&P 500 broke this purple line, and this was also the breakout of the descending broadening wedge. If S&P 500 broke the purple line, Bitcoin will break also inside of the descending broadening wedge, and I'm expecting that we will reach 11K Bitcoin or 11,500. I know we want to see pump, but doesn't matter for us. We still can make profits also on the short. So, bratans, very clear. Don't forget BitGet, Bybit. Don't forget the bonus. Make sure you don't miss out on this. If you don't match the requirements to get this bonus, doesn't matter. You can still make a registration to my affiliate link and get free access to my Discord and Telegram channel, which are people want a lot of money, but I don't want any money from you, only blowjob. No, I'm just joking, brother. So very, very clear in my opinion. Please write down below, what do you think? I'm expecting further FTX further dumping because they are like in a death spiral. People withdraw all their money, they have to liquidate their stable coins, and it's going into a death spiral. For me, it's very clear, bratans. And obviously, if FTX, I mean not the token FT, if the whole company FTX get bankrupt, then I'm expecting the whole market going to shit. So I'm expecting Bitcoin then for sure reaching 11K. So watch out, two things tomorrow. On one hand, we are watching out for the midterm election, will Republicans win? I expecting pump. Will Democrats win? I expecting dump. On the other hand, we have to watch what FTX. If FTX further dumping, if FTX further we get bad news, then even if the Republicans win, I expecting still a dump in the crypto market. This is what I'm watching for, and watching my Telegram channel, because maybe before I go to sleep, I consider to take profits on both trades, because I don't know what happened tomorrow. And don't forget always to take your profits, bratan. So very clear. If this was valuable information and very fast information, bratan, hit the like button or subscribe to this channel, or bleibt poch, bleibt. And thank you for watching. I kiss you and see you later. Mwah.